Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. If you're new to the channel, my name is Robert. My channel is Maple Woodworks, where we do woodworking projects for people. All right, so I was asked to refinish this horse, and I gotta admit, I love this thing. It's got, I'm sure, so many memories and everything to it that, you know, I wouldn't even really want to touch it. Maybe just touch it up a bit. I mean, if you look at it here on the seat, there's names Emma and Kayla scratched into it. And so I could just imagine two little girls, playing with this for hours on end. But anyways, the person bought it and off of Kijiji or something like that, or Marketplace, and asked me to refinish it, strip it all down, put another coat of varnish on it, and just a light stain on it. So I am going to start that now. Eli was telling me, Rob, use a stripper, and probably are going to do that. But for right now, I'm just going to break down the horse. And tomorrow morning, I am going to run out and get the stripper and start stripping it down. But we really got to be careful because of all this horse hair, or whatever this actually is. This rope is what it really is. I don't want to wreck that because it's awesome. But I'll tie it all up and make sure I try to get it out of the way. All right, so let's break it down. So no secret here, I'm just going to get my drill with the proper bit, and then I'm just going to pull out all the screws I can find, and just making sure I put all the screws together. There were some different sizes, so I did make sure I remembered when I was putting it back together which one was the longer screws and which one were the shorter ones, and replaced any that were a bit damaged. After that, Eli finally showed up. Thank you, Eli, for finally being there for me. I'm sure he's going to watch the video and hopefully he gets a little giggle out of that. And we just went to town. As you can see, I'm on the left tying up all the hair. I didn't want to wreck any of that. And Eli is there sanding down all the pieces and just making sure that we get a nice clean finish on them. We were originally asked to just do a very light stain on it and keep it the natural wood look. And so that's what we originally had planned. But as you know, plans change, and so we have to be flexible and make sure we can meet our clients' needs. All right, so far we've taken in the horse, we've taken it apart, we sanded it all down. We started with an aggressive sandpaper first, a 60, and then we moved up until the, I believe it was 100, then 150, and we're at what now, 240?
Yes.
Yeah, we're at 240, and the reason being is because we are going to stain it again a dark, it's called espresso color. So we already did a check, and the other sandpapers were leaving such an aggressive circle marks in it that it wasn't looking good. So we kept sanding until now we've tested it and it comes out and it looks really good, because you don't see, of course, those sand marks anymore. Now we are going to be using a gel stain, Kona. Okay, there it is, the Kona color. And so yeah, Eli is going to start staining it. I am working on the what looks like the punk rock unicorn, rock on. And so I'm just sanding in between there, cleaning it all up, and this is already all done. So that's our next step. So you're gonna see Eli working with this. And I was nice, let's see, I am such a nice guy. I even gave
Here we go.
Okay?
Baby gloves for Oompa Loompa.
All right, so as we mentioned before, we're using a gel stain, and the color's called Kona, which is a really dark brown, like an espresso. And it was funny because originally they started saying, we just want a very light stain on it, just a little bit. And so we sent them some samples, and they said, can you go a little darker? Can you go a little darker, right to the point where they decided, I think we changed our mind. We want espresso. So that was quite funny, but happy to do that for you, Atlanta. Hope you get to watch this video. But anyways, see, I'm always so nice to Eli because there he is. I give him all the good, easy jobs to do. All he has to do is take a rag and get some of that gel stain and just rub it on everything and just ensure that it covers properly. See, while I'm off to the left, still taking care of that, the head of the horse. And one day, Eli, you're gonna have to take me out for dinner to thank me for all the easy stuff I let you do. Anyways, back to the horse. One thing I love about using the gel stain is that it's really easy to apply. Just take a rag and basically wipe it. It's not that difficult, and you don't really have to worry about anything dripping or anything like that. Just make sure you rub it on, take your time, and then make sure there isn't too much in any area. Just rub it right off and you get a beautiful, even coat throughout the whole piece of wood.
Hey everyone, so I'd like to take a moment and apologize. Eli and I needed to get this horse done as fast as possible, and we didn't realize that we didn't actually turn on the camera and record it while we were doing the last phases. So we stained it and then put it all together. We actually put already a couple of coats of this ultra cover paint and primer from Rust-Oleum, and then we put it all together yesterday and then put another coat or two on it, so it's looks great. The only thing is left is the eyes, and I'm gonna do that right now. We took off the original eyes and they broke in pieces. They were pretty old, and so I went out and bought some new eyes. And so for 2 eyes I needed to buy a pack of 100. So if anyone needs eyes for their rocking horse, let me know. I can give it to you at a good price. But anyway, so the last touch is just to put these eyes in, take off the tape. We taped up the hair so that this way the finish wouldn't get in the hair, and yeah, that's it, and then it's good to go. And we will be delivering it first thing tomorrow morning to the family, so that this way it's going to be in a baby shower party that they're having or whatever. And so this is one of the things that's there. So I gotta admit, we loved the horse, and so we took a copy of all of the pieces. So if you're looking for a rocking horse just like this, let us know. We'll be happy to build it for you. But anyways, as I mentioned, final steps: 2 eyes, take off the tape. I'm gonna do that on my own here tonight. Let's hope I don't screw it up.
So the first thing I had to actually do was drill a bigger hole where the eyes were. And that's because the previous set of eyes, the piece that went inside to hold it, the eyes in place, was a bit smaller. So just drilled a bigger hole. I put some Type on 3 glue in and slid the actual eye into place and taped it down so it wouldn't move. Now, Type on 3 usually dries up in about 20 minutes. Not fully cured, don't get me wrong, but it's good enough that it'll hold, especially something like an eye that doesn't weigh anything. So this actually took me a little longer to do. You're seeing it here in 8 times the speed, and what you didn't see is one point in time when I stopped and actually went upstairs for dinner. But I just absolutely love this rocking horse, and I guarantee you I'm going to be making one for myself, as it reminds me of the days when I was younger and I had a rocking horse. Not quite like this. I had this big plastic one, and I can remember all the times I went flying over it where I was rocking it too hard and just basically got airborne on it. But good times and great memories. Hey, if you got this far into the video, I hope you're enjoying it, and I would really appreciate if you could hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps a guy like me out.
All right, so there you have it. We are now completely finished our rocking horse. I think it came out great. I'm sad to see the names go at the that was here, Emma, and I forget the other name, but it looks like new again. And I'm hoping that now this next child is going to enjoy several years on this. And hey, if you're looking for something just like this, we got the pattern. We can make an identical one. Maybe if you want a pink one, a blue one, a gray one, stained like this one, an espresso stain color to it, or maybe you just want to keep it a natural wood color. We can do it for you. Let us know, and just leave a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I will zoom in so you can take a good look at the horse. But thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.